Welcome back, everyone. Sean Stevens here again with Metroplex Mortgage Services, bringing you another divorce mortgage planning video quick tip. Whether your divorcing client is refinancing with an equity buyout or purchasing a new residence, grossing up non-taxable income can make the difference between a loan approval or denial. In today's video, I'll explain why not all divorce income is created equal and review how certain non-taxable income streams may be increased or grossed up for qualifying purposes, thus lowering debt-to-income ratios and expanding loan options. But before we get started, don't forget to take advantage of our free second opinion service, which is designed to help attorneys and divorcing homeowners get access to an expert second opinion. This is beneficial for both clients that are currently negotiating their marital settlement agreements and for those post-decree situations needing immediate assistance. As recently discussed, mortgage qualifying depends on a borrower's debt-to-income ratio, which is based on their gross income before taxes are deducted. Because of its non-taxable status, grossing up allows for an equal comparison against taxable gross income. When non-taxable income is received, lending guidelines provide for a gross-up factor to be applied, which has the effect of increasing the qualifying income. Importantly, gross-up percentages and eligible sources vary by loan program, which are subject to change. Typical underwriting guidelines provide for grossed-up income to range from 110% to 125% of the monthly non-taxable income received. So why is this important for proper divorce mortgage planning? Being able to gross up non-taxable income provides for lower debt-to-income ratios, which improve loan options and provides for increased flexibility. Higher qualifying loan amounts, which increase the amount of settlement funds available, and expanded purchase options for the departing spouse. So how does the 636 rule apply to non-taxable income? Remember, the 636 rule refers to the conventional mortgage guideline used to determine if certain income streams, such as alimony and child support, can be used for qualifying income. Where applicable, this guideline requires the recipient to have consistently received the support payments for at least the past 6 months and also be expected to continue receiving them for at least the next 36 months. This timing requirement helps ensure that the income is stable and reliable. When working with government loan programs, this timing requirement can vary, so please let us know if you have any specific FHA, VA, or USDA loan questions as to this guideline. When there is non-taxable income as part of the settlement, here are some helpful drafting tips to consider. Specify the type of income, amount, frequency, and due dates. Remember to avoid payment ranges and use clear monthly amounts that have realistic due dates. Be careful if the required due date for payment ends on a weekend or federal holiday. Where applicable, confirm that payments are expected to continue for at least 36 months after loan closing and spell out any specific payment terms that are tied to items such as the child's age or graduation date triggers. Payment method and traceability are always important for mortgage qualifying. Require payments via traceable method such as ACH, checks, or online transfers, and discourage cash payments. Avoid provisions that allow unilateral offsets or non-cash substitutions that could undermine stable monthly income treatment, since this could jeopardize loan approval. And on a practice note, remember that even perfectly drafted settlement language won't help if the recipient can't document receipt through items such as bank statements, checks, or transfers. Encourage clients to begin traceable payments as early in the process as possible to build any required receipt histories. For example purposes, assume your client receives $2,000 a month in non-taxable support, and the applicable loan program allows for a 25% gross up. This would allow you to take the $2,000 a month income and increase that to $2,500 a month for loan qualifying. In this case, the extra $500 would improve your debt-to-income ratios and overall loan eligibility. In summary, grossing up non-taxable income can help unlock loan approvals in divorce scenarios, but be careful of timing requirements, documentation, and the loan program that is being utilized. It is recommended to involve proper divorce mortgage planning as early in the process as possible so you can gain insight into your client's qualifying ability and the available loan programs that they could be eligible for. And remember, work with a team that understands both mortgages and divorce. At Metroplex Mortgage Services, our divorce lending practice group works alongside family law attorneys to draft lender compliant settlement terms, preserve client eligibility for equity buyouts, maximize equity and available loan options, provide expert insight on credit qualifying, income analysis, and loan requirements. Whether you're drafting the MSA or troubleshooting post-decree financing, we can help ensure mortgage eligibility aligns with settlement intent. If your client intends to keep the home, early planning makes all the difference. Contact us to review options, assess qualifying limits, and ensure enforceable mortgage compliant terms. And to our valued family law partners, thank you for the continued referrals and the trust you place in our divorce lending practice group. We're proud to serve as your partner for navigating mortgage-related issues during divorce. And on a scheduling note, we're currently coordinating in-office and virtual presentations for Florida family law firms. Each session is customized to address equity buyout refinance planning, purchase options and down payment requirements, credit scores and debt-to-income ratios, and how to structure enforceable mortgage-related provisions. Just contact my office today to reserve your preferred date. And as always, I want everyone to make it a great day and look forward to seeing you right here for the next Divorce Mortgage Planning Video Quick Tip.